Wrap. I'm Jenny Horn, here to take you through today's market action. Let's take a look at where markets closed to end the day. Markets rallied to kick off the week, but lost momentum into the close and finished relatively unchanged. The Russell 2000 was the clear laggard all day, closing 1.5% lower. Now, let's take a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day. Among the gainers, utilities and communication services posted modest gains just shy of 0.5%, led by the information technology sector. The biggest laggard among the sectors was materials, falling over 1.6%. Let's now look at some of today's stocks on the move. Goldman Sachs started coverage on Apple with a buy rating and a $199 price target, implying roughly 30% upside from its closing price. The analyst said Apple's valuation is attractive relative to its historical multiple and its peers. They said the market should be paying more attention to Apple's installed user base and recurring revenue growth from services. The firm also noted these services will account for the majority of Apple's gross profit growth over the next 5 years, highlighting there are ample market share opportunities ahead. Apple gave up some of its gains into the close, but still ended the session up 1.8%. Tesla is reducing the prices of its more expensive models for the second time this year. According to the company's website, prices for the Model S will be trimmed by 5% and Model X reduced by 9% in the U.S. The EV maker lowered the prices of its higher performance Plaid Model S and X by 4% and 8% respectively. During Tesla's March 1st Investor Day, CEO Elon Musk said they found that even small changes in price had a big effect on demand. Tesla shares closed the day 2% lower. And Snap closed the session up 9.5% amid ongoing talks in the U.S. Senate over a bill allowing for the ban on foreign technology like TikTok. The U.S. House Foreign Affairs Committee voted last week to grant President Joe Biden the power to ban TikTok, and a bill focused on prohibiting foreign tech could be introduced as soon as this week. This propelled Snap for its best two-day stretch since November of last year, with shares now up 30% year to date. Let's look at what to watch for tomorrow. All eyes will be on Congress as Fed Chair Jerome Powell begins 2 days of testimony in front of Congress. Powell is scheduled to appear in front of the Senate Banking Committee on Tuesday and the House Financial Services Committee on Wednesday. It is Powell's first appearance in Congress since last summer, and investors will be listening for indicators of how many rates the Fed is planning for. On the earnings front, some under-the-radar names are scheduled to report. Pre-market, we hear from Dick's Sporting Goods, Thor Industries, and Sea Limited, and post-market Casey's, CrowdStrike, and Stitch Fix are out. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Jenny Horn. Remember to tune in 24/7 to the TD Ameritrade Network.com.